Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, then act immediately. Open the syllabus and map topics to weeks. Once done, allocate 4 6-hour weekly blocks and reserve mornings for hardest material because fatigue reduces learning. Make sure to collect the textbook, lecture notes, and all problem sets before you start solving. Having everything reduces friction. Start with one central theorem per session and do a short active recall check at the end. This primes long-term retention and gives you a quick performance baseline. You now move into deliberate practice. Spend focused 50-90-minute sessions on proofs and problem solving with short breaks. Once you sketch a problem, break it into lemmas and prove each piece by hand. This reveals hidden structure. Make sure to use spaced repetition for definitions and key lemmas. Flashcards help, but always re-derive facts at least once. Rotate between problem difficulty levels and review mistakes daily. This prevents skill plateaus and builds robust intuition instead of fragile memorization. You finish by consolidating knowledge. Each week, write a one-page summary of main results, key examples, and common tricks. Once done, teach a peer or explain proofs aloud. Teaching exposes gaps fast. Make sure to schedule weekly mock exams under timed conditions to simulate real assessment pressure. If you get stuck, isolate the specific gap, ask a targeted question in class or to an instructor, and revisit the underlying definition or lemma. This targeted repair is faster than reworking entire topics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.